Step 10.
सवाल पूछने का फन सुकरात के जमाने से चला आ रहा है। पिछले स्टेप्स में हमने देखा व्हाई, वेयर, व्हाट और व्हेन से ताल्लुक रखने वाले सवालों के सिलसिले में। इस स्टेप में हम देखेंगे हु, विच, whom और whose से बने सवालों के बारे में।
Who are you to command me? Who said? Who is that man standing over there? Who are you? Who are you to command me? Who told you? Who switched off the light? Who called you? Who will help you? Who asked you? Whom do you suspect? Who told you that I was not well? With whom did you come? Whom should we ask? Whom should we call? Whom shall we buy from? Whom do we believe? Which bag is yours? Which is your hometown? Which color do you like? Which game do you like, cricket or football? Which food you like the most? Which language do you speak? Which is your car? Which bus goes to Delhi? Which one do you want? Whose book is this? Whose mistake is it? Whose signature is it?
Right is this?
Whose mobile is red in color? Whose shirt is in the bag?